Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the always on display in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on wallpaper and style, tap on always on display. So here you can see some personalized always on display you can see here. If you want to select this one, so first of all we need to turn on this one, always on display, turn on this one. Then if you want to select this one, tap on apply. Now let me show you. Longer device, just wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the always on display is here. So if you want to customize this one, so here you can see some options you can see here. You can customize the pattern. If you tap on this option, now here we can draw the pattern. So here I am going to draw the pattern. You can see. Simply we can draw the pattern. You can see. You can select the colors also. Okay, and after draw the pattern, tap on the tick symbol. Tap on apply. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device, just wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the always on displays here. It's very nice, right? Let me show you the closer view. You can see. So if you want to write anything on the lock screen, then here you can see this option. Tap on this one and you can write anything from here. And it will apply on your lock screen. Okay, and here you can see the default system locks, the always on display you can see here. So here I am going to select this one, tap on apply. Now let me show you. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, you can see the always on display is here. So simply in this way you can enable the always on display in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.